Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is a speech on Green Day in English. Please do subscribe my channel. Now let's start the topic. Good morning respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Here I am for giving a speech on Green Day. Green is the color of nature. Trees are green. Green color symbolizes of nature. It also means learning growth, harmony and environment. Green is a safe color. To educate children about the value of our natural resources and introduce them to the color, Green Day was celebrated in schools. The main objective of celebrating Green Day is to create awareness about the earth and to cherish the greenery. Thank you. Thanks for watching.